Hey, la, lo, la, li, la. That's Minion Talk for Mail Call Day today. Yes, hey, welcome everybody. Hey, hope everybody's staying safe and staying quarantined the best you can. I know it's kind of like bizarre, but if we all stick together, we can pull together and we can fight the virus the best way we can. Okay, so let's get in with the mail call. Let's see what I got in here. I got like a this and like a that. So then I want to talk to you a little bit about what I get out of the box. I mean the bag here, because I'm doing a lot of stuff, and it's cool to do a lot of stuff, especially nowadays. Always something to do, right? Never give up hope. That's the big thing. All right. And here we go. Nothing else in there. All right. Here is our newest t-shirt design from Larry's Fountain Pens. And I'll open it up. I think it's pretty awesome right here. Here is the drawing. I believe didn't Mr. Announcer and I came up with the idea. So it's pretty cool. And here is a flying saucer. I love spaceships. And it has fountain pens. The adventure begins. And here's the flying saucer. And there's our nibs, fountain pen nibs. It's really cool. Then Larry's fountain pen reviews. And then Mr. Announcer came up with the beam shooting down. And here comes the pen. Hey, that looks like the Mont Blanc Beatles Sgt. Pepper's. Yay! So that's the front. Now here's the back. Are you ready? Pretty cool. Check it out. Now you got a bigger version in the back. Can you see that pretty good? That is really an awesome shirt. So this is one of the newest designs we have on the
storefrontier.com.
And let me kind of walk you through it. Here's a picture of another new one. Let's fight the I can't read upside down.
Let's fight the coronavirus together.
Thank you. And then it has, because I can't see upside. What, Larry's?
Your email and your webpage.
All right, there. So we have both emails. So fight the coronavirus. That's what it's called. Cool. So there it is. I brought the prices down as low as we can bring them, so that's $14. I'm not making any money off the t-shirt. That's not my point. That's not what I'm doing at. This shirt is special to me because I'm doing all I can on my part to try to help other fellows, pen enthusiasts, and people in general to work together, to be strong, to support each other, to help one another, to stand firm and fight this virus. It's no joking matter. This is serious stuff. So that's why we come up with this shirt. And there's a whole lot more of them. Let's see if I can pull another one up so you can get an idea. But before I do, you want to go to the Store Frontier? You can Google that, Store Frontier, correct?
Or storefrontier.com, type it in.
Okay. And then in your search box, you just put fountain pens with an S, fountain pens, okay? And it's going to take you to the site. So let's see if I can do that again. Then we're going to go pens. And then we'll search it. And let's see what it does. And here we go. Here we go. Here's one right here, Mr. Announcer. If you can read it, because I'm upside down.
Fountain pens are my way of life.
And has Larry's what?
The webpage.
Okay. So that's one. $14. Another one.
That's the one that we just saw.
And another one.
Another version of the same one. Let's fight the virus together.
Let's fight the virus together with my Gmail address. Both are nice. These are particularly close to my heart because I'm reaching out to all my subscribers, to all people all over the world. And I mean it. So don't buy a t-shirt. I don't care. I don't give a darn. I'm still thinking about you guys. Believe what you want. All lives matter to me. And then we just showed you that one. And then that one is $17 because it has the front and back. And then, now this one's 14, isn't it? Yeah, it only has the front. And then this one is 17, it has the front and back.
Actually, it's the other way around.
Well, I can't see it upside down. Well, see, this one is 17, you got that.
The 17 goes with the one that's right there. Yeah.
Okay, so then, I'm sorry.
That one is 16.
This one is 16, okay? The big one, okay? So you can hang out with us for a while we shoot the stuff here. And so this one, is that one 17 for this one?
Yeah.
Is that front and back?
Yes.
Oh, good. And this one is 16.
Front only.
Front, have a bigger picture of it, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then the ones that have been out, that one's 13, 13, 13. And the glasses look like the meanest, but it's supposed to be representing my round glasses I wear. And then here's one. Is that right for this one?
Yes.
And that's a hoodie, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty cool. And then $17 because this is the front and back. So that's where you have it so far. Again, at the store Frontier, correct?
Yes.
So again, how do you get to this store? You can just Google Store Frontier, or
Type in storefrontier.com.
so when you get to there, then you're going to see the search box right underneath it. In that search box, you're going to type in just in lowercase letters, fountain pens, and it's going to take you to all these cool shirts you're seeing right there. Okay? Now, if you're a t-shirt kind of guy or gal, that's perfect. Get a t-shirt, put it on, and off you go. But for right now, it's in you stay. But again, I can't be more serious than I am right now. I really, really am. And let me speak to the people that have health issues. Let me speak to the older generation, 50 and above, with health issues. We're at risk. We're the ones that are really at risk. All people are at risk, but with health issues, it's more dangerous for us. Diabetics, very dangerous. If you have any kind of respiratory problem, dangerous. Any kind of health issues, okay? So be really careful out there. Keep those hands clean. Be careful. Keep the distance like we're supposed to, okay? If you have to get out to go to the grocery store, I know we do. We try to go once every 2 weeks, but we don't buy a lot because there's other people that need groceries as well. We stay distances. We take our hand sanitizers, always cleaning our hands. When you get that grocery cart, this is important. Please stay with me, whatever you do. Do not go away. Do not forward this video. It is important. When you touch that grocery cart you're pushing, remember, you don't know who's touched it. So when you get through using that cart, you want to make sure you use some hand sanitizer, cleaner, and get it done. Here it is, right here, what's left. But there's more coming about this. I am going to do a whole video for what I've been doing with my time, quarantine at home. I'm going to do one for that because I've been quite busy. I haven't put on as many videos like I want, not because I don't have a pen, it's because I've been busy making hand sanitizers and not selling of one of them. I give them away free. That's the God's truth. I'm not in it to make money. That's not my thing. A lot of people are in it to make money, and they are just gouging the people up into prices. It's ridiculous. Soon I will be doing a video of a bottle of alcohol that I got from eBay, and I'll tell you the story about that. It's going to be interesting. And a bottle of eBay I got at my drugstore, Ridgely Drugs, and a bottle that came in the other day from Walmart. Okay? So that's going to be a real important video. So I had to order a bottle of aloe vera off eBay because I ran out today. I've been almost 2 hours today working on hand sanitizers. So I have a lot coming to talk to you about. So I hope you guys are safe. I really do. I hope you guys are keeping a distance and keeping those hand cleans. And we're going to go through a lot of things that what we shouldn't do and should do and how to do it. So, right now, I'm going to close for now. But God bless each and every one of you. I mean this. You take care of yourself. I want to see you guys around the next day and the next week and the next month and the year after. I hope to God I'm here as well. But if anything happens to me, Mr. Announcer will then reveal his identity and tell you what happened. Isn't that right, Mr. Announcer?
That would be correct. We, of course, do hope that doesn't happen.
So, yeah, am I worried? Definitely, I'm worried. Definitely. But I'm not panicking. And that's the key. Don't panic. Come on, check it out, folks. What good is panic going to do? Not a darn thing, right? It's going to get you all uptight. You're screaming, I'm hoarding toilet paper and hand sanitizers like they already have, and those, Clorox wipes, whatever. It's crazy. It's ridiculous. The store shelves are empty. The meat counter at the store is empty. Yeah. So, I've said enough for now. Until my next video, God bless, take care, and remember, my friends, wash those hands and don't text and drive. Peace out. Bye-bye.